Yeah, right. Welcome back to Think Beyond Friday Night, Dynamatic TV. You can click subscribe right there. Now that I showed you already how to install this onion chopper right here, why don't we start with the most important thing that you always take in your soup, in your food, and that's an onion. As you can see, it's fresh and I like them fresh. So what we need already, that bad boy onion cutter, we need a cutting or a chopping board, we need a knife. For me, I'm not so good with knives. I don't know if this is the right knife, but then I like to, once it's a knife and it can do my job that I want, then I'm good to go. I can use any knife. So you want to take off this first. Yeah, so this makes a mess around, because it's so dry. See, I like to put it right there so that I know that there is nothing else coming off just like that, so that I don't want to make any mess around my kitchen. So you want to put the onion right there and cut the end right there. Turn it around, cut the other end. This is going to make it easy for you to take off the outer part, right? So of course I haven't done it like a pro chef because I'm not one, as you can see, and maybe I didn't use the right knife right there. So you want to take off that outer part. This is not the best way I've done it, but then boom. Yeah, the point is you want something to eat, right? You don't want to spend food anyhow. So do that. Make sure it's fresh on the outside, all the wrappings right there, and get a place where to put them, because as for me, I hate so much cleaning or messing up the area that I'm using. So you want to get this onion and chop it right there in the middle. If it's still too big, you can do the same and chop it right there. Chop it right there. So most people want that art of chopping, but to me, that is now the old method of chopping onions. So I'm already done with it. I'm gonna put it aside. Then I bring this bad boy right here. It's already installed. I'm gonna open it and then get a piece of the onion, put it right on top and do this. So you see how it is. It's right there in the middle. It's about to get pressed down. You see that? So that's how it looks. So, and you gently push just to make that noise, to make sure that everything is cut down. That is chop number one. Chop number two. Do the same, gently push down. Chop number three. Do the same. Chop it down. Chop number four. Boom. And right there, we have the onions in there, well chopped, without putting your fingers at so much risk. So you do not have any excuse. You don't have any excuse of not cutting those onions. And actually, it makes it even safer for you. So I want to see the shape of the onions since we've cut them right there. And now it means that these are cubes. Look at this. Look at this. They're gonna look good in your food. And that's done, right? So we wanna get to the to the next video over how it chops the red pepper and how it looks. You don't want to miss this. This is Think Beyond Friday Night. I go by the name Dynamatic. This is Dynamatic TV, and you can click subscribe. We're big on wellness, we're big on finance, and I'm giving you tutorials that can put more money in your pocket. If you need this bad boy onion chopper, the link is in the description down below. The link is in the description down below. This is a must-have for your kitchen this year. This is something that you can send your mom, your sister on Thanksgiving, right? If you're gonna cook all that food on Thanksgiving, this is a must-have on your shopping list. Stop using knives and chopping boards and cutting all those onions and making people suffer. Times have changed, right? So we're done with the onion. Let's get to the red pepper. If you still chop your veggies like this, you better save your time and fingers by purchasing this bad boy chopper that will give your food a professional look with just one press. Click the link below or the link in my bio to check it out.